In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Jockie Music Bot in Discord. If you're looking for an easy way to add music playback to your Discord server, Jockie Music Bot is a popular option that offers a variety of features. Once it's added to your server, you can use it to play music from supported sources, manage playlists, and enjoy music together with other members in your voice channels. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of adding Jockie Music Bot to your Discord server. To get started, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Discord account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Discord interface, select the server where you want to add the bot by clicking its icon from the list of servers on the left side of the screen. After selecting your server, click your server's name at the top of the channel list, then choose Server Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open your server's configuration page, where you can manage roles, permissions, apps, and many other settings. In the Server Settings menu, scroll down through the options on the left until you find App Directory. Click on it to open Discord's built-in directory of available apps and bots. When the app directory opens, locate the search bar and type Jockie Music, then press Enter. From the search results, select the official Jockie Music Bot to open its information page. On the bots page, click the Add App button located near the top right corner. Discord will then ask you to choose the server where you'd like to add the bot. Select your preferred server from the list and click Continue to move to the next step. Next, complete the verification process to confirm that you're a real person. Once the verification is complete, Discord will finish adding the bot to your selected server. You can then return to your server where you'll see that Jockie Music Bot has successfully joined. Now that the bot has been added, you can begin using its features. Jockie Music Bot supports music playback from various sources, allows you to manage playlists, and includes additional features that can improve your overall Discord experience. To get the most out of the bot, take a few moments to familiarize yourself with its available /commands and options inside your server. That's all there is to it. Setting up Jockie Music Bot only takes a few minutes, and once it's ready, you can start enjoying music with your community directly from your Discord server. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,